Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're like me and you've ever struggled with weak, brittle nails, then you know how frustrating it can be to find a product that truly works. Today, we're talking about something that promises to help restore and strengthen those nails. Butter London Basecoat Nail Polish, Horsepower. This isn't just any base coat. It claims to help repair damaged nails, encourage nail growth, and even prevent staining. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. This base coat comes in a sleek 0.4 ounce bottle and is designed for those of us with damaged nails who want to give them a little TLC. The formula is gluten-free and cruelty-free, which is always a plus for conscious consumers. Its main purpose? To strengthen nails, stimulate growth, and act as a protective barrier between your nails and nail polish. It's got that classic transparent liquid texture, making it easy to apply and layer under any color you choose. Now let's talk about real-world use. I've been testing this for a couple of weeks, and it's been interesting to see how it works in my routine. The application is super smooth, no streaks or clumps, and it dries relatively quickly, which is a big win. As for the texture, it's thin, but not so much that it feels flimsy. It goes on evenly, creating a solid foundation for whatever color comes next. But here's the thing, did it actually help with nail growth and strength? Well, after a few applications, I noticed my nails felt more resilient. I typically deal with peeling and breakage, and I didn't experience as much of that with this base coat. I wouldn't say my nails grew rapidly, but they definitely felt less fragile. The formula seems to provide some protection against the staining from dark polishes too, which is something I really appreciated. Now for the downsides, I didn't see an immediate dramatic difference in nail growth. So if you're hoping for something that will drastically change the length of your nails in a few days, you might be a bit disappointed. Also, while it helps with nail damage, it doesn't do miracles. If your nails are in really bad shape, you might need to pair this with a more intensive nail care routine. Let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, this base coat does a great job of preventing staining and offers decent strength-building properties. The texture is perfect for smooth application, and it's a great option for anyone wanting to avoid any nastiness in their nail care. The fact that it's cruelty-free and gluten-free makes it even more appealing. On the flip side, if you're looking for a product that will help your nails grow at lightning speed or completely repair severe damage, this may not be the miracle product you've been hoping for. It's more of a preventative and protective solution rather than an intensive nail repair product. As for value for money, this product isn't outrageously priced for what it offers. It might seem a bit pricey for a base coat, but considering its multi-purpose benefits, protecting against staining, providing strength, encouraging growth, it's a fair investment for anyone who's serious about nail care. If you're someone who's really into keeping your nails healthy without going for chemical-heavy options, it's a good option. In comparison to other nail strengtheners, Butter London Horsepower Base Coat stands out for its clean formula and cruelty-free claims. There are other products out there that promise to do similar things, but many contain harsher chemicals or don't deliver the same level of protection from staining. The build quality is solid. The bottle feels sturdy in your hand, and the brush is wide enough to coat your nails without too much effort. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, and it hasn't dried out or clumped in the bottle, which is always a sign of good quality packaging. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some drugstore options that may be more affordable, but many of those contain less friendly ingredients or lack the same nourishing properties. However, if you want to stick with a high-quality brand that ensures your nails are protected without the guilt, Butter London delivers on that front. To wrap it all up, Butter London Base Coat Nail Polish Horsepower is a solid product for those looking to maintain and protect their nails. It won't magically fix deeply damaged nails, but it does its job well in terms of strengthening and preventing staining, and it's great for a clean, cruelty-free nail care routine. If you're someone who's invested in keeping their nails strong and healthy with minimal fuss, this is a great option. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.